Melbourne Central is a haven for LEGO enthusiasts of all ages. The store features an impressive world-first Melbourne tram made from over 650,000 LEGO bricks and offers interactive experiences like the pick-a-brick wall, minifigure station, and mosaic maker at the personalization studio. Visitors can explore unique large-scale LEGO models and a wide range of products catering to both children and adults. Melbourne Central is a haven for LEGO lovers of all ages. Visitors praise the well-stocked store with creative displays and interactive features like the make-your-own minifigure station and pick-a-brick wall. The highlight of the visit is the impressive 5-meter interactive tram made from over 600,000 bricks by Ryan Brickman McNaught. The store's ambience, friendly staff, and diverse range of LEGO products create an engaging experience that sparks creativity and imagination in every visitor. Visit during less crowded times to fully explore the store without rush and take advantage of staff constantly restocking shelves to find every set available. For better access to items on top sections of the pick-a-brick wall, consider asking for assistance from staff members who can help retrieve specific pieces. On top of being stocked with a wide range of LEGO sets, this store will also be home to a world-first Melbourne tram made from more than 650,000 LEGO bricks. It's the perfect destination for children and adults who are still children at heart, with fun areas like the pick-a-brick wall and minifigure station to explore. And you can even leave your mark by using the mosaic maker to leave a portrait of yourself at the personalization studio. Got any burning brick questions? Sit down at the virtual storytelling table and meet with set creators to talk everything from the newest themes to how the sets are made. What about a model that isn't quite finished? Head over to the pick-a-brick wall to find that single, specific piece you've been looking for. And that rare set you just can't seem to get your hands on. It's probably here. The store also features a personalization studio where visitors can reimagine themselves in LEGO form using a mosaic maker. Like a photo booth, the mosaic maker first captures your image and then transforms it into a LEGO mosaic portrait in a few minutes. Melbourne Central's personalization studio is the second of its kind, the first being stationed at NYC's epic LEGO retailtainment store. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide playlist. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.